Let's start with something fundamental. Can you explain what objects and records are in Salesforce?
Well, in Salesforce, objects are like tables in a database. They store data specific to an organization. We have standard objects like accounts, contacts, and opportunities, and we can also create custom objects to fit specific business needs. Records are the rows within these tables, representing a single instance of data. For example, in a customer management project I worked on, we created a custom object for customer feedback, which allowed us to store and track feedback records tied to each account.
That's interesting. How did you go about designing your custom object for customer feedback?
Actually, we started by gathering requirements from our stakeholders to understand what data points were crucial. We included fields like feedback type, rating, comments, and date submitted. We also ensured that it had lookup relationships with the account and contact objects to maintain data integrity. This helped us generate insights on customer satisfaction by connecting feedback directly to specific accounts and contacts.
You mentioned lookup relationships. Can you explain how they differ from master detail relationships and when you might choose one over the other?
Sure, so lookup relationships are more flexible. They can be one-to-one or one-to-many, and the related object can exist independently. In contrast, master detail relationships are tightly coupled, meaning the child object's life cycle is tied to the parent. We chose lookup for customer feedback because feedback can exist independently of an account or contact in our system, allowing more flexibility in data management.
That makes sense. How did you handle any challenges related to data volume or performance with these custom objects?
Right. Data volume was a concern, especially as feedback submissions increased. We implemented indexing on key fields like feedback type and date to enhance query performance. Additionally, we used Salesforce's built-in tools like reports and dashboards to monitor data trends without impacting system performance. This ensured that our users had fast and reliable access to the information they needed.
Great! Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers understanding Salesforce objects and records comprehensively.